Welcome back. And welcome to the end of the road we started with a letter. 178 days ago, a regulator's envelope turned a bank upside down. Today, Nadia Rahman walks into the same boardroom that panicked in episode 1. And this time, she doesn't argue. She doesn't plead. She opens one screen and lets the numbers talk. This is the control capstone, the project's closing argument. And then we take the tour this whole season has been building toward. The finished project end to end, every claim with evidence behind it. Before the boardroom, the final checkpoint. The control tollgate, 5 honest questions that close a project. Is the process stable? Is the chart holding the new normal? Is every control owned? A name, not a department? Are the plans handed over to the people who run the work? Are the benefits real and signed by finance? And are the lessons captured so the next team inherits them? 5 yeses, and a project stops being a project and becomes simply the way the bank works now. Here's the closing argument. I'll use the LeanProjax platform, the executive summary of the KYC assignment, one screen. At the top, the charter promise from day 1. Clear the backlog to compliant in 180 days. Below it, the vital signs. The voice of the customer captured, the process mapped, the baseline that started at 3 years, and the capability now transformed. Every tile is live, every number traceable. This isn't a slide someone built the night before. It's the project itself, telling its own story. Let's walk the evidence. In the platform, the tour of what the team built. Measure, the cleaned data and the true baseline, the ghost process made visible. Analyze, the fishbone, the 5 whys that found the missing trigger, the hypothesis test that proved it. Improve, the solution matrix that chose the cheap, effective fix, and the pilot that verified it on one branch. Control, the chart holding the line, the control plan with every row owned. From a blank workspace to a guarded humming process, the whole journey, one click deep. Now the numbers the CFO came to hear. The backlog, cleared inside the regulator's window from a starting pace of 3 years. The fine, avoided entirely, 7 digits, saved. And the second front, facility granting, already bending the same way, with hard revenue benefits attached. Margaret, who froze the budget in episode 6, signs the benefits herself, because the fix cost almost nothing and the return is enormous. The frozen budget didn't wound the project. It made it efficient. Evidence, not headcount, cleared the wall. Watch the value get made official. In the platform, the benefits and portfolio view, Nadia logs the realized benefit, the fine avoided, the cycle time savings, and it flows up into the organization's portfolio scorecard, where facility granting's revenue gains join it. 2 projects, 1 running total the board can see, and the losing solutions from the selection matrix don't vanish. They go into the replication library, tomorrow's projects already scoped. The bank didn't just fix a backlog, it built an engine that finds and fixes the next one. Step all the way back. Episode 1, a blank charter, a panicked room, a 3-year problem, and a 6-month deadline. Episode 9, a signed result, a calm boardroom, a backlog clearing with room to spare, and a bank that now knows how to do this again. Nothing here was magic. No consultant, no army of hires. One person asked, "Can I see where the work actually happens?" Followed the evidence one phase at a time and kept every number in one place the whole team could trust. That's the entire method. That's the whole show. From a letter that upended a bank to a boardroom that celebrated one. That's the story of Crescent National Bank, and it's the story of the way of working itself. You watched a team turn a crisis into a capability, guessing into evidence, and a wall into a door. This playbook doesn't belong to banking. It belongs to anyone with a process worth improving and the discipline to follow the data. The bank was fictional. The method is real, and now it's yours. Thank you for watching the whole journey. See you in the next season.